In this video, we are going to set up the post model. So inside your resources, copy everything from here. Inside your share folder, create a new file, call it post_model.php, then paste it here. Inside your index.php, over here, just open up your PHP tag and close it here. This one will include underscore once. Then here will be shared slash post model.php, then semicolon. And again, inside your resources, go to model.css, copy everything from here. Now go to your public folder, css, create a new file, call it model.css, then paste it here. Inside your master.css, import the file, that's model.css. So here will be at import URL, then here will be model.css. And again, go to your global.header.php. This is it. Over here, we need to add a utility class to it. So here will be cursor dash pointer. And also over here, we'll attach an ID to it of post model, which is this one. Okay, so now let's refresh it. Okay, so click here and inspect. Empty the cache. Okay, so now this is what we have. So now the next thing I want us to do is, by default, I want us to hide this one. That's the post model. Inside your model.css, over here on comment on this one. Okay, so this is what we have. The next thing I want us to do is that when the user click on this one, I want us to display the post model. So go to your JS, command.js. Over here, it will be $document dot on. Then this one over here will be click. So when the user click on it, the element that we want to target is this one. So click here and inspect. The element over here has an ID of post model, so copy it from here. This one will ampersand and paste it here. Then our function. So when the user click on this one, I want us to display the post model. So realize that by default, the post box over here is set to display. The display over here is none. So when the user click on this one, I want us to show. So copy this one from here. So here will be dollar, then paste it here, then dot toggle. Here will be semicolon. So now let's go back, empty the cache. Click on this one. Okay. As you can see, our logic is working fine. Okay. So now the next thing I want us to do is that when the user click on this one, I want us to change the title, the page title. So in order for us to do that, this one will be if post box is visible. If the post box is visible, then change the page title to this one be dot. So we'll target the post box dot is here will be colon visible. So if it's visible over here, for the meantime, let's alert. Yes, else alert no. Here will be semicolon. So now let's go back and refresh it. Empty the cache. Now click on it. As you can see, we are getting yes because the post model is visible. So if the post model is visible, we'll change the page title to create new post. So over here will be document or title is equal to what? So go to your register underscore handlers.php. Over here, just copy this one from here. Copy it from here. Then just paste it here. Remove this one from here. No, so remove this one from here. A semicolon. Here will be create new post. Then remove this one from here. Copy this one and paste it here. Here will be just Instagram. Now let's go and test our logic and see whether it's working fine. Let's empty the cache. Now click on it. So as you can see, why the page title have changed to what? Create a new post. So when I click on it again, our logic has worked fine. So now the next thing I want us to work on is this one. When the user click on this one, I want us to hide the post box. That's the post model. I want us to hide it. So click here and inspect. Realize that it has an ID of those posts. So copy it from here. So here will be dollar document dot on, and here will be click, and this one will be ampersand and paste it here. Then our function. So when the user click on this one, what we will do is that we get this element. So copy it from here. So this one will be let post container to be equal to get element by ID. Then here will be paste it here, the semicolon. So when the user click on this one, I want us to set display to be none. Here will be post container dot style dot display to be equal to none, and also the page title over here to be Instagram. So copy it from here and paste it here. Okay, so now let's go and test and see whether our logic is working fine. Empty the cache, click on it. Now click on the close icon.